Listen and follow along.
Hello, Mrs. Smith. Thank you for coming over for tea. I'm so glad to meet you.
Thank you for inviting me, Mrs. Davis. It's very nice of you.
Please, call me Jill. Mrs. Davis sounds so formal.
Okay, Jill. And you can call me Helen. Mrs. Smith is my mother-in-law's name.
All right, Helen. So how do you like the neighborhood so far?
I love it here. Everyone has been very welcoming and friendly to us.
That's good to hear.
And it's so quiet and peaceful compared to where we lived before.
Where did you live before?
We lived in downtown Boston, near the airport.
Oh, that must have been very noisy and crowded.
It was indeed.
Helen, tell me about yourself and your family.
Well, we moved here from Boston a few weeks ago. My husband, Alex, got a job as a teacher at a local high school.
Oh, that's wonderful. What does he teach?
He teaches math and physics. He loves his subjects and his students.
I'm sure he does a great job. And do you have any children?
Yes, we have 2 kids, Jack and Jane. Jack is in high school and is getting ready for college. Jane is in college and is studying business management.
Wow, you must be very proud of them.
I am, thank you. They are both very smart and hardworking.
And what about you? Do you have any hobbies or interests?
Well, I like gardening and baking, and I also want to open a flower shop at the mall someday.
That sounds lovely. I love flowers too.
Really? What kind of flowers do you like?
I like roses and tulips and orchids and
And
pretty much any kind of flower, actually.
me too, we have so much in common, Jill.
We do, Helen. I'm so happy we met.
Me too, Jill. So how about you tell me about your family?
Well, my husband Ted and I are both accountants. We work for different firms, but we have similar schedules.
That's convenient. How do you balance your work and family life?
It's not easy, but we try to make time for each other and our kids.
How many kids do you have?
We have 3 kids, Matt, Jim, and Betty. They are all married but don't have any children yet.
Oh, I see. Do they live nearby?
Matt and Jim live in San Diego, and Betty lives in Los Angeles. They visit us often, though.
That's nice. Do you get along with their spouses?
Yes, we do. They are all very kind and respectful. And guess what? Betty is pregnant and is due in 6 months.
Really? Congratulations. That's wonderful news.
Thank you. I'm so excited for my first grandchild.
Do you know if it's a boy or a girl?
No, they want to keep it a surprise.
How fun. I'm sure you'll be a great grandmother, Jill.
Thank you, Helen. You're very sweet.
Thank you for joining us today. Now it's your turn. Can you tell us about yourself and your family? How many people are in your family? Do you have any hobbies?
If you want to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments below. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps us a lot and it also lets you know when we upload new videos.